Desert Town Informational Center. This is Carman, your friendly admin, here to give you a rundown on all the different things you'll be using when you're on our server. So first off, let's just get right to it. You'll notice that in our center, should probably go through the doorway, we've got a few different options of things you can use in server commands to help you out. First thing you'll want to note is once you build up your home, to make it your home, you'll need to set home. So the way we do that is home set. And it says, welcome to your new home. So then you can go off adventuring into the night, be scared by a creeper from afar, and simply go home. And voila, you return home. But of course, home isn't just about having a place for you, it's about having a place for your friends. So you can also use home invite and then the person's name who you wish to invite to your home. In this case I already invited him to my home. But let's say he's become a nuisance and I'd rather not have him in my home. I can uninvite with the same effect. And now he can no longer come home. Now if I wanted to go to Paco's home, I would go home, Paco 3346, and that would take me to his home. Of course he doesn't have a home yet, so that won't do me very much good. Now, let's just say you're in the middle of somewhere strange and don't know where you're going, and all of a sudden you wonder, where am I? Well, where am I gives you that information exactly. So make sure you put that to good use. One other great nifty feature we have here is an entire economy. So when you have supplies and ill-gotten gain, then you'll want to put it somewhere safe. So let's go ahead and put out a chest. And now, normally, you know, if you put out a chest, anybody can open it and put stuff in or out of it. But we don't want that to happen. I mean, we've worked hard for this leather. So what we're going to do is use another server command. And we're going to go /c private. And then it's going to say left click the block to lock it. And you go up to your chest and left click it. And it says created the protection successfully. So now, you note down here that says notice this private chest is locked by you. So only you or a server admin can now get into this chest. Now let's say you'd rather share this chest with a few friends. You could also go C password and then type in a password like Minecraft and then click it. Of course I've already registered this chest, so that's not going to work. But that's how it would work. Alright, so that's how you would do that. Now let's say you wanted to make a public chest. You wanted to say, well, I've been a bit too stingy. Everyone should be able to get this. C public will allow you to make a public chest or object. Alright, chests, furnitures, doors, anything like that can be made. Alright. Now, let's say, well, I've got this leather. And I like it, but I'd prefer to sell it. So this is going to be very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take a sign, you're going to put the sign over top of the chest, and then you're going to put, first off, the number of how many you want to sell at a time. So let's say we're going to sell one leather at a time, and I'm going to buy leather for 0.1, and I'm going to sell leather for 0.5, and then I'm going to type the item name leather. Alright, now that will create a shop for you, and then as you can see with these, if you wish to buy something, people can left click on it to buy or right click to sell. If you left or right clicked on your own shop, it won't do anything, so don't do that. But if you, somebody else, like we'll take this one right here, if I wish to buy a diamond, I could left click, and I just bought 5 diamonds from the admin shop. Of course, there are several places you can do this. You can make a shop anywhere you want to, but we highly recommend that you go to one of our local marketplaces. These marketplaces are several places throughout the world, and contain areas where multiple people are setting up shops. Information is in here on how to set up shops, and you can see we have a whole economy working out. We hope this video has been informative to you. I'm going to head home, and that is all for today's tutorial video.